Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. First of all, open up your Telegram app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on your profile picture icon. You will see all of settings of your account on this page. Now, tap on this QR code option at the top right corner of your screen and a new pop-up will appear on your screen. Inside this pop-up, tap on Share QR Code and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you have different options to share your QR code. You can share it on any of your social media platform or you can share it with specific person. Once you shared your QR code with your friend, then your friend just have to scan that QR code and he or she will be added on your Telegram friend list. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.